Hello and welcome to a new video, this time just a little instruction manual for this month's robot kit, because a proper update will come next month again, and this month I'm going to take a little vacation very soon, so I'm trying to keep it short this time. This month you're getting two special pieces and two screws which will form the neck of the character, basically the connection between this rod and the head later on. So for the assembly, we start with this little piece here. It has a hole down below and this hinge section up here, and a little screw on the front side. So we start with this, and first we rotate the head axis until this little flat spot on the robot points in front. And then we take the little piece and put it over that rod, press it thoroughly down and make sure the orientation is correct, so the little threaded hole lines up with the flat spot on the axis. And then we take the short screw of the two, the 3mm long screw, and screw it in that little thread and gently tighten it like this. And so this piece should now make a good connection to the axis and also should be much easier to rotate the entire thing now. Secondly, we're taking the other piece and yeah, this goes over the first one. Make sure the two steep sections, the angled sections, are basically on opposite sides, so there's a little offset between the two pieces. That's important to make sure the head will be properly positioned, otherwise it would be too much to the front later. So yeah, there's a little offset in this hinge, and yeah, we just position the hinge loosely over the other piece, take the 5mm screw, put it inside like this, and also tighten it. That hinge is a bit loose, like with the feet, and to make it properly work it might require a bit of tightening. Don't overdo it. Like this. That feels nice. Not too stiff, but it can hold its position. Yeah, and that's basically it for this month. The little robot looks like it has a very strange head for now, but later there will the proper head, and it will attach to the two little threads on the back side of the upper hinge piece. And yeah, until then this at least can help rotating the nice gears in his belly. And also, yeah, he can already look up and down with his very strange head. Okay, so that's it from this month. I hope you also have a great summertime and see you next month again with a longer video. Bye bye!